In this tutorial we discuss about the what is the date data type and how to initialize this date and how to add date data type and how time data type and how to initialize the date and time, and also how to add some days to the date particular date, okay, how to add the um, some days to the for example today is January 2012, date is 9, so we are adding the 10 days to this date. This is go to the January 19. Okay, how to add the date how, what is the date, how to initialize, how to declare the date to data type, like this information. Okay, our program name is the date type is the RPGLE. Okay, here first declare the one variable here, take F4 for prompt, our data date today. Okay, today is our variable name, and the data type is what is the data type for date? D. Okay, D is the date field, D. Okay, set, and F4 for TSPLY. Insert C, set time. Okay, so first you initialize the, so here in this date example I am not initialized any value to the today data today variable name. Okay, today variable, so I am taking it is there in the declaration section, and our variable name is today, and data our type is our declaration type is standalone, and data type is the D. Here I am not initialized anything to the this date. Okay, this today variable to this variable name. Okay, mm. So after compilation we get the what is the result. So call this one, so we are getting the like this 00. So our format is this one is the year, month, date. So here I am initializing the one value to the today data type, today variable. Okay, so I am renaming this to the date one. Okay, date one to one, little bit confusing today variable name. uh, so here I am initializing the one value to the our data type date, our variable name date. So our date is the data type is the D. So here in the keyword section, write the initialization inj keyword, after that D, after that year 1981 hyphen 12 07. Okay, I am initialized the date into the 1981 December 7. Okay, so compile this one. So rename this one to date 1. Okay, take care for this one. File, compile this one again. So call this one. Okay, in this our date is assigned into the our date 1 value is assigned into the 1981 December 7. Okay, in this way we can initialize the date data type, date values into the one variable. So here how to change the format. So take the declaration section, take F4, and the keyword is the DAT FMT, date format is, and date format is YM. Insert star 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 YMD. Okay. In this way we can change the format of the date also. Take file, type the file for the saving the program, option 14 for compile this one, and so call this program, run this program. So here we're changing the format into the 811207. Okay, in this way you can change the dates. So in this program, what is the first, we are created the one date and initialized it to the created the one date variable, and we are saving that variable in to the 1981 December 12. After that date format is changed into the YMD format. Okay, uh, and the second the data date 2 variable is created and it is not initialized to anything. Okay, after that it is also changed into the date format is YMD. So in this example, what we create that, what we are saying that the our date our date, for example, you custom you are received the one order form to you, one order form, you are adding the 15 days to or 23 days to that order form. You are called it as the date 2. Okay, so so you are creating the added duration. Okay, keyword keyword is used for the adding the duration to the particular date. Okay, we are adding the date 1 to the 23 days today. So today date is 7th. So after adding the 23 days to the date, 7th date, it is goes to the 30th date of this month. Okay, in this way this is the add dur operation, ADDDUR. So here factor 2 is the 23 is the our how many days you are adding to this one, and this is the colon, and star D for the you are adding the days to the date 1. Okay, here the factor 1 is the date 1 and factor 2 is the date 2. After that, after the execution of this program, 23 days is added into the date 1, and this date 1 is saved into the date 2 variable. Okay, in this way we can add the durations. So add dur is the one operation for adding the days, years, months, like that information. After that, compile this one. So after the adding this is the 30th date. Okay, this is the date 1. So here I am adding the years 5. What is the output of this program? 04. So we are adding the 23 years, so it is changed to the 04. 81 plus 23 is the 2004. Okay, in this way we can add the day to year and also months also. So months is not there here. Okay, in this way we can add the days and years. Eighty-three 1107. After adding the 23 months, our date is changed into the 831107 and our original date is the 811207. In this way we can add the date, use the date data type. So in this lesson what you learn is the first you are initializing the date variable. First date variable data type is the D, and using the inj keyword you are initialize the date. You can change the date format also, and after that you are adding the one some months, some days into the that day.